Hi, I'm Spencer, a second-year student at the Institut Publicus. I'm joined today by Cécile Teyssier, beauty specialist. As you're about to join into the Institut Publicus family, it is important to keep your image impeccable. So with Cécile, we're going to see the fundamentals of your skincare.
Hi Spencer, hi everyone. Today we are going to see the 3 fundamental step-by-step of facial care routine for men. Don't worry, you will understand everything, and with a little bit of practice, this technique will be done automatically. So let's go! Step 1. Cleanse. With a foaming cleanser, morning and evening, over the entire face, included beard, massage the product into damp skin and rinse with water. Step 2. Shave. With a shaving foam and a good razor according to the amount of hair. Step 3. Moisturize, soften. Spray a cedar atlas or sandalwood hydrosol all over the face. Moisturize with a face balm or gel cream. Having clean hands is very important for hygiene and for the image. Cut and file your nails regularly. Clean the underside of the nails with a nail brush and soap. Cream every day with a hand cream.
Thank you so much, Cécile. As you can see, it's not very complicated. And don't worry, if you need to watch it again, you can always come back to this YouTube channel and watch it as many times as you need. Don't forget to subscribe to the Campus TV channel.
Thank you, Spencer. Thank you, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.